There's no power. So we couldn't go up to the Marquesa. So change of plans. So we're like tailgating right now. Still very pretty. Such a beautiful sunny day. Look, you can see all the coast from up here. This is a beautiful view. Cool, huh? Wait, you want to see? Isn't it cool? Trying to make it to that tower up there. That tower. Yeah, you're gonna see it at that peak. You see it? That's where we're trying to make it to. So we parked here and we're gonna quickly try to hike up to the trail. We're gonna do this. See, we're gonna go way up there. Yep. Ahí se nos va el tiempo. 4:30 bajamos. Ready?
I'm going to do this. 15 minutos.
Okay.
Wet. I hope I don't get wet. Look.
This is really pretty. How are you guys holding up back there? It's gonna be a good workout. Look how pretty that is. We've been at it for about 12 and a half minutes. Jay and Noah are taking it a little bit slower. Dad and Maymay are already gone. Dad's calling us. Okay. It took me 18 minutes to make it to this point. Okay? So, we still got that walk to do. You guys doing all right?
Doing great.
Okay.
Yeah, not even breaking a sweat.
Good. Because I'm sweating. My heart rate was at 170 something. It's come down to 162.
I don't even have a heart rate. That's how calm I am.
How are you doing, Noah? I'm sweltering hot.
I'm not even sweating.
Look at me. It is hot. My glasses are getting smoky. All right. We're about a minute.
There's a road up here all
Yeah,
the time?
that's what Daddy said. That was like, that's the road they closed down, that it made a hiking trail instead.
Are you sure they closed it?
Yes. It's the road that said closed. All right. Whew. Up we go. I feel like this one's worse. It's more steep. Oh, you hear the coqui? You hear them? So we've gone up 404 feet in elevation, and it's been 21 and a half minutes because this entire thing has been at an incline. But it's beautiful up here, isn't it?
No. Well, she's falling.
35 minutes, guys, up here. How do you go up? In there? Now we're going back down. Going back down. Legs are a little shaky. Coming back down. So, it's a little tight in here, as you can see. Ooh, ¿qué hay por ahí? What's down there?
I literally can fit. I don't need to.
Nothing? It's so breezy though. It feels so good. That breeze feels so nice. I feel like going up was easier.
For real though. What was like a pain.
Going down, Uncle Jay likes going down. He's, look, Jay is fast going down. But going up, he was the last one. I feel like because you have to put pressure on your legs to stop yourself, it's harder. But my heart rate is lower going down. Oh, remember when we made it to this point, Noah, and we were like, oh. Now it seems so much quicker. All right, here we go again. I hate the steps. Okay, here we go. Step, step. My knee's not liking it. I found it so easy going up. You know, going down has been a whole other ball game for me. Some of these rocks are a little bit slippery and my knee was a little bit finicky. So, but Jay and Noah, they just breeze down through this. But this is a good sign over here. That means we're almost here. I remember this at the very beginning we started. Is it worth the view? Yes, it is worth the view. But I definitely wasn't ready for the hike that we were gonna be taking. Coming down right now, it's been 73 minutes since I started going up and coming down. Of course, that includes the time that we were up on the tower. We were up on the tower for about like 10 minutes or so. So it's very accurate when they say it's gonna take you about 30 minutes to make it up there. It's true. And going up, it's definitely very intense on you. So if you're planning on coming out here, I would definitely recommend just have hiking shoes or sneakers, something to drink. If you need like a hiking stick, that might be helpful because of the steep walk up, or just to give you a little bit of resistance, you know, like walking down. But right now we're walking down these steps. If you are somebody who has knee issues, definitely do not recommend coming up here. Oh, what do you guys got there?
I touched the stick.
Look at it. Likes your hair.
You can finally find the top.
We made it down. Woo, woo, woo. There's almost no cars left. Initially, it was supposed to be today that we were going to the Marquesa, but there was no power there, so we couldn't get entry in there. So the plan B was, let's just go to the rainforest because you don't need electricity to get inside the rainforest. So that's what we did, and we were hoping that the power would be back by now, but it's not. So it was a little bit dark. However, a lot of people now have generators here. So there were quite a few houses that had generators running. The gas stations were packed, completely packed. I think people just run to the gas station to get gas for their generators. So we get to experience one of these completely dark days here. So he has this little thing here that is one of those sensor lights, and then a generator. So we shall have lights soon. You hear that sound? That's the sound of electricity pretty soon being turned on into our home. Just gotta go in. Gotta go in. And there's power! Woo woo! Thanks, Dad, for having a generator. Make sure to check out this next video where I share with you how I made my Puerto Rican yellow rice and beans straight from my dad's kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.